Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best post base is probably one of the most crucial elements for any outdoor wooden structure. Whether you're planning a deck, a pergola, or even a simple fence, a solid foundation is key. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of 8x8 post bases, exploring their importance, and helping you choose the perfect one for your next project. Number 5. Ozco Laredo Sunset Lite 8x8 Post Base Kit. This post base is built to last. It's made with thick, galvanized steel and a powder coating to protect it from the elements. This ensures it will withstand the weather and last for years. The base is designed to fit standard 8x8-inch posts. It works with posts from 7 to 12 to 8 inches, providing a secure fit. It's perfect for a variety of outdoor structures. Everything you need is included in the kit. It comes with the base plate, decorative plates, nuts, bolts, and screws. This makes installation easy and convenient. The design lifts the wood posts off the ground. This helps prevent moisture damage and extends the life of your structure. It is ideal for wood deck applications. This post base is great for pergolas, decks, and verandas. It's a reliable choice for creating strong and stable outdoor spaces. You can build your dream outdoor structure with it. What we like. This post base boasts a robust construction, built to withstand the elements. Its elevated base design keeps your wood posts safe from moisture damage. If you are looking for a long-lasting solution for your outdoor structures, this is the one to consider. What people say. These post bases are of great quality and look great. The adjustable feature is a very smart design and allows them to take up the variation in the lumber. These things are simple but effective. Number 4. Ozco Laredo Sunset 8x8 Post Base Kit. This post base is constructed with robust, galvanized steel and a powder-coated finish. This ensures it can withstand the elements, providing long-lasting durability for your outdoor projects. Designed to accommodate standard 8x8-inch posts, it offers versatile compatibility. The base fits posts from 7 to 12 to 8 inches, ensuring a secure fit for various structures. The kit comes with all the necessary hardware for easy installation. It includes the base plate, decorative plates, hex cap nuts, and timber screws, making setup simple. The elevated base design lifts the wood posts off the ground. This crucial feature prevents moisture damage, extending the life of your deck and other wooden structures. This post base is ideal for pergolas, decks, verandas, and more. It's an excellent choice for creating sturdy and reliable outdoor structures, ensuring your projects stand the test of time. What we like. This post base features a comprehensive hardware kit, ensuring you have everything you need for a complete setup. Its robust construction guarantees durability and weather resistance. If you're planning a project and want a hassle-free installation with all the necessary components, you should choose this. What people say. These post bases are of great quality and look great. The adjustable feature is a very smart design and allows them to take up the variation in the lumber. These performed excellently as the bases for my backyard pergola. Number 3. Ozco Ironwood Lite 8x8 Post Base Kit. This is the Ozco Ironwood Lite 8x8 Post Base Kit. It's designed to provide a strong and lasting base for your outdoor structures. It includes everything you need for a secure installation. The post base is made with durable, galvanized steel. This construction ensures it can withstand the elements and last for years. It's perfect for pergolas and decks. This base is designed to fit standard 8x8-inch posts. It's suitable for a variety of structures, including verandas and pavilions. The design ensures a secure and stable fit. The kit comes with all the necessary hardware for installation. This includes the base plate, decorative plates, nuts, and screws. This makes the setup process simple and efficient. The raised base design protects your posts from ground contact. This helps prevent moisture damage, extending the life of your wooden structures. It's ideal for wood deck applications. This post anchor is perfect for pergolas, decks, and more. It's a reliable choice for creating sturdy and long-lasting outdoor structures. It's compatible with various post brackets. What we like. This post base offers versatile compatibility, fitting standard 8x8-inch posts securely. The elevated base design protects your posts from moisture. If you have a variety of outdoor projects in mind and need a reliable, adaptable base, this is a great choice. What people say. These post bases are of great quality and look great. The adjustable feature is a very smart design and allows them to take up the variation in the lumber. This post base is easy to install, made durable and sturdy and looks fantastic. Number 2. Ozco Ironwood 8x8 Post Base Kit. This post base kit is constructed with robust, galvanized steel and a powder-coated finish. It's designed to withstand the elements, ensuring your outdoor structures remain strong for years to come. The kit is designed to fit standard 8x8-inch posts, making it a versatile choice for various projects. It provides a secure and stable base for your pergolas, decks, and other outdoor builds. Everything you need is in the box. The kit includes a post base plate, decorative plates, hex cap nuts, and timber screws. This ensures a complete and easy setup for your project. The raised base design lifts the wood posts off the ground. This prevents moisture damage, extending the life of your structures, perfect for wood deck applications. Whether you're building a pergola, deck, or veranda, this post base is an excellent choice. It provides a sturdy and reliable foundation for your outdoor projects, compatible with post brackets for wood posts. What we like. This post base has a comprehensive hardware kit for easy setup. Its robust construction ensures durability and weather resistance. If you are looking for a complete and reliable solution for your outdoor projects, this is the one to choose. What people say. These post bases are of great quality and look great. The adjustable feature is a very smart design and allows them to take up the variation in the lumber. These things are simple but effective. Number 1. Simpson Strong Tie ABU 88Z Adjustable Post Base. This adjustable post base from Simpson Strong Tie is designed to securely attach a post to existing concrete. It's perfect for decks, patio covers, and other top-supported structures. This product makes your construction projects easier. The base features a 1-inch standoff, which helps to prevent rot at the end of the post. This design ensures the longevity of your structures. It is a smart choice for outdoor applications. The base is slotted for easy adjustability, providing flexibility during installation. This feature allows you to make precise adjustments. It ensures a perfect fit for your project. Made from 14-gauge steel base and 12-gauge steel strap, this product is built to last. The robust construction provides reliable support. You can count on it for years of service. The ZMAX galvanization offers extra corrosion resistance, making it ideal for exterior and treated wood applications. This feature protects the base from the elements. It ensures long-lasting performance. This product comes in a box of 4, making it easy to purchase the quantity you need. It is a convenient solution for your construction needs. Get yours today. What we like. This post base features an adjustable design, providing flexibility in your installations. The ZMAX galvanization offers extra corrosion resistance. If you need a post base that can adapt to various situations and withstand the elements, you should consider it. What people say. Simpson hardware is quality product and fits well. Worked perfect for my 8x8s for my new deck. It's solid piece of steel and I like it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.